This is for creators and upcoming creators or creators who wish to be creators. Yes. We can have creator A and creator B. They have same number of followers. They have same number of content posts, but one makes $50 in a month, another one makes $5,000 in a month. The difference is not luck. The difference is not magic. The difference is strategy. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you what actually increases the earning rate on Facebook. Lately, especially 2026 when it began, the earning rate for most creators on Facebook started going down. Most people started facing it a hard way. They started really getting the earning rate of something like 0.02 for 1,000 views. And later, things turned whereby you'll find there is qualified and unqualified views. Irrespective of how many views you have, you find you have unqualified views. So if you're posting on Facebook and you're not seeing real money, yet you're probably focusing on the wrong things. It's not just about followers. It's not about views as most of them think. It's about how you use them. How do you use your followers? You can have many followers, but you're still poor. You're still begging. Today, I'm going to be breaking down exactly what makes you earn more on Facebook. Not just grow, but actually get better. I've seen myself moving ahead with few views, and the people who have very many views, people who have very many followers, they are there crying. And when I went to check my analytics, I got these findings. You guys, welcome back to this mind-blowing video. This is Christine on Immaculate Show, the lady that says I shouldn't hold a smartphone and beg for bread. This is a disclaimer, guys. This video is not 100% giving you tips. No. I'm giving you 2 to 10% of the tips. So go and research. Consider this video as an educational video. To my special engagers, I love you so much. Engagers on Facebook, on TikTok, on YouTube, you're so awesome. I love you. Let's dive in. This video is going to be short and precise. Go and research, and if you feel it can work for you, do it. So we are going to talk about watch time, duration of the video watched. This one is a king. When I'm talking about king, I will not even say, no, ladies will always say women are the same as men. We say women will be queen, a man will be king. But this one, I'm not going to put a queen there. It's a king. Facebook does not pay you for posting, by the way. Facebook does not pay you for views. Facebook pays you for attention. And how do you get attention? The longer people watch you, the longer people watch your content, the longer people stays on your photo, on your text reading, the more ads Facebook can place. And the more you are going to earn. You guys, let's be optimistic. Why do we want to earn from where we don't invest? Me, I don't know whether, I wonder when I see someone saying Facebook is not paying us like before. Can you imagine it is giving us for 1,000 0.02? How long do people watch? Go to your analytics, see how many qualified views do you have. Qualified views are now the views that are watched beyond 5 minutes. I mean 5 seconds rather. If you know the minimum of you being monetized or of your content being monetized as far as Reel or Facebook is concerned, on any video, on any Reel, on any short, you have to have posted at least, it should be 10 seconds longer. And out of 10 seconds longer, they should have watched 5 seconds. So now, let's come to the drawing board. I saw people are lamenting. We are now posting for fun. My friends, my family, even the people we have been seeing, they are reaping dollars enough. Now, focus on longer videos. If you come to see what I do now, I focus on longer video. However, these longer videos, like 1 to 3 minutes, is not enough. If someone comes and clicks and goes away, still it will become unqualified view. And when it is unqualified view, you'll not get. And you'll find you have millions of views and you have maybe 1,000 qualified views. When your earning rate is 0.02, what will you get? Now, let's go to storytelling, strong storytelling. If you come to see what I do these days, I want to change the way because people prefer to see the stories personal. It can be personal, it cannot be personal, but it can keep people watch till the end. The truth is that a 3-minute video with high watch time, this one can earn more than 10 shots with low retention. Let me tell you that. The second thing is high engagement. High engagement is equal to high pay. You know, I've come to see when people engage your post, Facebook pushes your posts. It pushes to more people, meaning you'll get more views. And if you find at first, like you already put a good hook for people, there's storytelling, there's, people are retained. That means you have just run. You are taking over. Then, let's go now. How do you think we are going to do this engagement? I've come to see engagement, we have to be creative. We need to boost engagement in different ways. Like I noted down like 3. Ask questions. Create relatable content. Like now, it is very hard for making money online to have engagement. Most people are not interested because the audience is just thinking about other things. It is stressed, it is poor. So what you need to do, you need to bring it in a way that people should engage. Encourage opinions. Yes. The simple trick is that you end your video with comment yes or no. Like now, you guys, by the end of this video, please comment for me yes or no. If you know, you love this video. The third thing you need to mind about is niche content pays more. What do we say niche content pays more? Certain niches attract views. Certain niches attract high-paying advertisers. And certain niches attract views without high-paying advertisers. Meaning, if you attract high-paying advertisers as to your niche, it means you're going to get more money per 1,000 views. Your earning rate is not going to be 0.02. The earning rate will be, at least the worst will be 0.3, 0.5. Me, I've gotten the earning rate of $2 on Facebook, the highest. So how do you get this high earning niches? One, you can venture into finance and making money. You can venture into business and entrepreneurship, tech and AI, education and tutorials. These ones they will attract, it's automatically attract high paying advertisers. The reality is like 100K views in finance can pay more than 100K views in entertainment. 100K in finance would pay even more than 1 million views in entertainment, in gossip. Audience location matters, you guys. Where are your viewers? Come on, I want viewers from UK, I want viewers from America, I want viewers from Europe. Please come, because that audience makes people get money. So US, UK, Canada, they often pay more than others, than Africa, than Gulf. So what do we do for us to attract these people? Let's create content that appeal globally, not... I was telling people recently that someone who is in entertainment and talks Luganda in Uganda and has 1 million views will not threaten me because I make content that appeals to UK, to USA. So my earning power will be high. So create content that appeals, speak clearly, and use universal topics. Use caption for wider reach. Use common language, that is English. The last but not least is consistent. Consistent builds momentum. This one I will not talk about it so much. We've been talking about it. So improve your consistency 3 to 5 times per week. Stay in the same niche.